Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, November 22, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi Alex, good morning.
Hi David, morning.
How is your coffee today?
It is good, hot and strong.
Great, mine too. I need it.
Why busy day?
Yes, many calls for sales.
Me too, project updates.
Coffee helps a lot.
True, best part of morning?
Hey, did you read the news?
What news?
Big one from New York Times.
Tell me.
About Trump, his fans worry.
Worry why?
America First idea changes.
How so?
He dines with billionaires now?
Billionaires, rich people?
Yes, at fancy dinners.
In White House?
Maybe, looks like it. And he thinks about overseas crises.
Crises? Like problems abroad?
Yes, not just home now.
Fans liked old Trump.
Populist style strong words.
Now different.
They say he drifts away.
From base support?
Yes, people talk a lot.
Controversy big.
Bad for politics.
Or business ties.
Sales to other countries hurt.
Trade impacts, yes.
Clients ask about it.
My projects too. Global teams.
What do you think, Alex?
Trump wants big deals.
With rich friends?
Yes, helps power.
Smart or not?
Time will tell.
Fans want home focus.
America first always. True words.
Pass sugar, please?
Here you go.
Thanks, good chat.
Yes, now more news?
One more tech news.
Okay, what?
New York Times again.
Europe?
Yes, big tech rules change.
Tell details.
They rethink crackdown.
Crackdown on what?
AI and data privacy.
Rules too strict?
Yes, scale back now?
Simplify too?
Right, less complex.
From aggressive past.
Policymakers craft new plan.
Good change?
For companies, yes.
Less red tape?
Easier to work.
My projects use AI.
Rules slow before.
Now faster maybe.
Sales team happy.
Sell tech easy.
Europe market big.
Innovation grows.
But privacy worry?
People care data.
Balance key.
Yes, watch close.
Coffee cold now.
Sip quick?
Another story
Yes?
from CNN, Saudi Arabia.
What happens?
Fisherman executed.
Sad who?
Mohammed Saad.
Details?
Family says no drugs.
Saudis disagree?
Yes, call him smuggler.
One of many?
Hundreds this year.
Wow, so many.
Mostly small drug crimes.
Not big ones. Human rights upset?
Worry U.S. ties.
Saudi free reign?
Campaigners say yes.
Poor family.
Egyptian man.
Changes need?
Ethics in business.
Global partners careful.
Our office too.
Training maybe.
Good idea.
Talk boss.
Later, coffee good.
Helps think.
Back to Trump.
More details?
Dines rich often.
Billionaire friends.
Overseas pull him.
Crises distract.
Fans miss focus.
Populist Trump gone?
Shift clear.
Politics fun.
Like soap opera.
True.
Sales affected.
Clients nervous.
Ask trade questions.
Prepare answers.
Yes, be ready.
Europe tech again.
Rules scale back.
AI free more.
Data too.
Landmark rules old.
New simple ones.
Help projects.
Speed up work. Sell software.
Win for all. Privacy still key.
Find balance.
Saudi story sad.
Execution quick.
Family fights? Hundreds cases?
2025 record.
Rights groups loud?
U.S. Saudi close.
Rethink ties?
Maybe soon.
Ethics matter?
In office, yes.
Train teams?
Boss agrees.
Weekend plans?
Relax home.
Me too, family?
Good, work now.
Big meeting?
Client call?
Project review?
Coffee break best.
Daily habit?
See tomorrow.
Yes, bye.
Have good day.
You too.
Stay busy.
Keep going.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.